buddy, I'll give you a fake dick with 3 layers of fail-safes. They'll never know the difference.
Present the shears of stumping! First things first, step through this machine which checks for nanotechnological hologram dicks.
What?
Sorry, my lord, but we're gonna need you to step through this second machine, which checks for emergency clone dicks.
Wow, you guys really embraced a lot of specific new tech, huh?
The third detector is going to scan for a prosthetic dick.
Oh, good.
Okay, well, go on through. And of course, by prosthetic, we mean witchcraft dick.
Shit.
I sense one. The bones say he's still packing.
Get nothing past the chicken bone lady. Just testing her.
Stump thy stem.
Grab the scissors.
Okay, got the scissors.
Now, run!
Run, you couldn't have just said that?
You don't have to use telepathy anymore. You could just ask your rhetorical questions out loud.